as well as matter with its surrounding. Okay, that type of system is called open system. In the system, what happened? Exchange energy as well as matter with its surrounding. So both thing is exchange with the surrounding, mean that type of system is called open system, right? Closed system, what happened? The tightly capped cup of coffee. So what happens in that closed system? In a system, the closed system which can exchange the energy but not matter with its surrounding. Okay, it is closed one, right? So example for that, a tightly capped cup of coffee is very good example for closed system. A system which can exchange, the term is very important. The system which can exchange energy but not matter with its surrounding, it is called as which one? Closed system. Okay, they will be asking example for closed system, which one is exchange, which one is for example open system, which can exchange energy as well as matter with the surrounding. Okay, that is open system, right? It is open one. So energy is also exchange as well as both the things exchange with the surrounding, right? In closed system, it is a closed cap, right? So it can exchange one energy only is exchange, but not with the matter for the closed system, right? And then isolated system. So in the isolated system, what happens? Well insulated thermoflask we have to use. No, for that the system which cannot exchange both energy as well as matter with its surrounding, that type of system is called isolated system, right? And then homogeneous, heterogeneous. Homogeneous means when a system is completely uniform throughout. Okay, that is for homogeneous. Heterogeneous means for the system not in uniform throughout when it is consist of two or more phases are present, that is comes under the heterogeneous. Then we have to move on to the properties. In the property, intensive property as well as extensive and macro. Intensive property. So what is the intensive? So these are all the some common terminologies are highly useful for whenever study the thermodynamic functions, right? Without knowing all those things, we cannot study about the thermodynamic function, right? These are all the basic things, right? System, surrounding, intensive property. What is intensive property? What is extensive property? Anyone tell me, dear all, what is intensive property? Intensive property? Anyone?
Properties are depend only on the nature of matter and not on the quantity.
Very good, Vansiga. Example? Example for that? Intensive?
Temperature, pressure.
Yes, very good. Temperature, yes, temperature, pressure. Very good, very good. Extensive property. The extensive property means which depends upon the amount of substance present in the system is called extensive property. Example, mass, volume, internal energy, enthalpy. And all comes under the extensive property. I guess up to the terminologies we completed. Then followed by thermodynamics law. Okay. So anyone tell me thermodynamics law, zeroth law, first law, second law, third law. Up to that, kindly anyone tell me first law of thermodynamics. I think you are all very used very well about that. Okay. So whenever you study the thermodynamics, so that law is also very important. First law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics. Okay, that law is also very important whenever study this thermodynamics. Okay, anyone tell me? First law, second law.
First law, energy.
Anyone? Zeroth
First
law.
law, conservation of energy.
Okay. Conversion of energy. One second. Yes.
Thermodynamics is that if two bodies are in thermal equilibrium with the third body, then also bodies also in the equilibrium with each other.
Good. Okay, very good. Zeroth law. What is the zeroth law? Anybody know about zeroth law? Zeroth law. It deals with the thermal equilibrium among the system which contact. That is the zeroth law. First law. What is the first law? Either the energy can either be created or destroyed, but it can be converted from one form to another form. That's the first law. So you have to tell that first law, mathematical expression of first law thermodynamics in the mathematical form. Anyone?
Delta U equal to Q plus W.
Yes, exactly correct. So delta E is equal to Q minus W. So W is representing the work done by the system, right? Now, Q is a heat supplied by the system. Delta E is a change in internal energy. Change in internal energy. Very good. Exactly correct. So this is a first law. So zeroth law you know, first law you know. Okay. Second law. See, second law is mostly useful for your things, right? For example, what is the second law? Anyone tell me? Anyone tell me about second law? Second law. So in the second law only we have to introduce some terminologies called entropy, spontaneity and free energy, right? So I told you previous class itself, second law of thermodynamics has been formulated. Why we have formulated the second law? To explain the spontaneity, feasibility of the physical and chemical process. This law, okay, introduced two new thermodynamic functions. So what are the two new thermodynamics? From the second law only, two new thermodynamics functions are introduced. What are the two new thermodynamics function? So anybody know? Entropy, entropy to represent S delta, S, okay, entropy. Then free energy. The two thermodynamic functions are introduced in the second law, right? So one function is called entropy, another function is called free energy. So entropy and free energy to explain the spontaneity or feasibility of the process. Okay, students, so kindly keep in your mind. Second law of thermodynamics discuss the entropy, okay, spontaneity and free energy. So these three factors have to discuss with the help of the second law of thermodynamics: entropy, spontaneity and free energy. Is it clear, students? So second law, you have to from the second law. That's why I'm asking you, what is zeroth law, what is first law? Okay, without knowing this we cannot go further, right? And on to the first law, second law, third law. Then only you can move what is free energy. I'm going. Okay, and last statement. I'm not started entropy, spontaneity, free energy. That is coming classes only today and next class only. Yes. What is the second law of thermodynamics? Some law, variants of thermodynamics law. Okay, right? Anyone tell me from the statement? One is placement and one. Anybody know? Two statement I give, So there will be so many statements are available for the thermodynamics second law. So moreover we are using these two law only. So second law state that work can always converted into heat. Listen carefully for the second law. So second law, moreover we used various places, right? So second law state that the work can always be converted into heat, okay, but heat cannot completely converted into work. That concept is very important here. The second law state that work can always work done by the system is there, no? So work can always converted into heat, okay, so work always converted into heat, but heat cannot completely converted into work. So only half of the thing only is converted into work. Remaining is that is why we have to introduce the term work done by the system, available energy, that and all. Okay. So coming topic, that only we have to study very deeply: entropy, free energy, enthalpy, everything. Okay. These are common terminologies we are studying first. Okay. Any doubts for this? So work can always converted into heat, but heat cannot completely converted into work. Only a fraction of heat can be converted into work. Okay, and the rest remain unavailable and unconverted. Okay, not all the works converted. Listen carefully. This is very, very important here. Only fraction of heat can be converted into work. Rest remain unavailable or unconverted one. For example, we are cooked food, right? So we are not used everything, right? We wasted something. So here also, for example, solar energy. You can receive the solar energy. The plant receive human. So all the resources we are take it completely. No, we are used very lesser only. Remaining is wasting, right? We are wasted. So nowadays the people, the researcher are focusing on that only. How we have to use effective manner for the solar energy. Okay, how that solar energy is highly stored in the various form. For example, nowadays the researcher are focusing on solar absorption panel is no. So which material is absorbing more solar radiation? Nowadays the researchers are going that manner. So we are getting enormous amount of energy, right? So all the energies not converted in proper way, right? For example, the solar radiation, the plant they get, right? So not all the energy there. So this thermodynamics law is applicable our day-to-day life, for chain, food web, everyone. For example, solar rays. The solar ray, which one is photosynthesis process takes place. From the photosynthesis process also, we can use the thermodynamics laws, right? So what happens? Some amount of energies are utilized by the producers, right? You know, producers, consumer, primary, tertiary, primary, secondary, tertiary, and then decomposer, right? So what happened? So each and every level, for example, producer plant, they absorb very less than that energy is converted into producer to consumer, primary consumer, then primary consumer to secondary, secondary to tertiary, tertiary to decomposer. Again, it goes to this energy flow. Okay. So this is not only for science, it is not only for, okay, only for mechanical students, they are very focused on the thermodynamics, only for chemical people, only they are focusing on the no, this thermodynamics is applicable everywhere. Our day-to-day life, okay, our day-to-day life, the thermodynamics, we have to apply more. Okay, students? Okay.
Ma'am, why is the second law of thermodynamics is known as degree of disorder?
Degree of disorder. Yes, I see this. See here. 1 minute. So what happens here? 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm going the see the with the help of enthalpy and entropy. The term the entropy. What happens? The generally the enthalpy is represented as a H. Here total heat. So which one? To measure the total heat content in the thermodynamic system under particular pressure. Okay, you have to measure the at constant pressure. It is comes under, you are asking the question, no, that one. Okay, so these in the entropy form. Okay, in the entropy, what happens? Disorder. Why it is disorder? The measuring to measure the level of disorder in the thermodynamic systems, right? So here the condition is at constant pressure for enthalpy. For in entropy, okay, to measure the level of disorder. Why it is disorder? Not in arranged in order. Okay, for example, if any one of the crystallography techniques, if you have to find the atoms or molecule is arranged in the random manner. This is a random manner, disorder in nature. Okay. If it is arranged in proper manner, mean that is it is ordered in nature. Is it clear? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Next. Now you clear? So we have to mention. See here, atoms. For example. Crystallography, one atom, another atom. So it is arranged in the proper fashion. So here in the entropy, what happened? The molecules or atoms are arranged in disorder in nature, right? So, okay. So that is why we have to study that one. Okay. So I will not have started that. We are concluding what is the common terminologies for thermodynamics only. Now only we are move on to next. Okay, students. So any doubt in the part of what is thermodynamic terminology? Open system, closed system. Okay, and then what is isolated, intensive, extensive properties, and zeroth law, first law, second law. Okay, from the second law we have to go for, I told you from the, that boy also asked question, good. So from the second law you have to go for two new terminologies are introduced. So what are the terminologies? Entropy, entropy, and another one is free energy. Okay, so what is, before enter into the entropy and free, what is free energy? You know very well. I told you from the second law we have to introduce two terms. One term is called free energy. That free energy we call it as new thermodynamic function. Okay, so new thermodynamic function or free energy. Okay, by the law of by the second law of thermodynamics. Okay, from the second law of thermodynamics, delta S, okay, total is equal to delta S system plus delta S surrounding. That means to predict the spontaneity of the process. Okay, for example, what we have to do in the free energy to predict the spontaneity of the system. What is spontaneity? Anyone tell me? So what is spontaneity? For example, generally the water flow, how hill you can consider as a hills. Okay, so top to bottom or bottom to top? Anyone tell
Top
me?
to bottom.
Okay, very good. And then a heat is transfer, how the heat transfer mostly?
High to low.
High to low. Okay, that type of natural phenomena, few example tell each few students. So we can't change that one. For example, water flow top to bottom only. Okay, not in low, bottom to top. Okay, and then the heat conduction higher to lower. That is the concept, right? Okay, very good. Yeah, few example. Can you tell me? Hello. Anyone tell me, please? Okay.
Condensation.
Which one, ma?
Condensation.
Condensation. What is condensation? No, at what? No, I am asking at what point of view you are representing. I am asking. Okay. Condensation.
Ma'am, on the basis of states, solid, gas, liquid.
Okay. Solid, okay. Liquid, gas. That condensation you are representing. Okay, we cannot change that also. Very good, super. Next, other students. Any other students? Kindly respond.
Heating of milk in a pan, like pain goes to milk and milk.
Yes. Yes, correct. Very good, super. Very nice answer. Next. Okay. So why I am asking this question, with the help of the new thermodynamic function called free energy. Okay. In order to find out the spontaneity of the process, we have to see the change in entropy of the system as well as surrounding. Okay, it's very difficult to find and change in entropy of the surrounding every time. Okay, for example, the new thermodynamic functions of introduced one is called Helmholtz free energy. So every time we cannot use the things. Okay, it's very difficult to find out the change in entropy of the surrounding every time. So that is why some more new functions also introduced, two thermodynamics functions also introduced. That term is called Helmholtz free energy. And then Helmholtz free energy or Helmholtz work function, Gibbs free energy or free energy. Okay, so you are asking, what is free energy? That and all we are going to study now only. Okay, free energy. So what are the new Gibbs free energy or thermodynamics things? Another one is what it is. Yes. Why we can go for what are the new thermodynamic functions introduced? What are the new thermodynamic function? Anyone tell me? New thermodynamic function. New thermodynamic function. Anyone? What are the new thermodynamic function? New thermodynamic function. Hello, students. Anyone tell me what are the new?
Entropy.
Entropy. Yes, good. Next.
Gibbs free energy.
Yes. Next. Next. That's all.
Helmholtz free energy.
Okay.
Enthalpy.
Enthalpy. Okay, fine. I think last class I give you know the definition of enthalpy and all. Yes, enthalpy. What is enthalpy? Definitions. A few definitions I gave, I guess. So anyhow, I give you again. Internal energy. Okay, what does it define internal energy? That is also they will be asking what is internal energy. Enthalpy. Yes, enthalpy. So one student is also asked previously enthalpy. What is enthalpy? Generally, the term enthalpy. My dear students, we whenever you study the thermodynamics, some common terminology is very, very important. Without knowing, it's very difficult. So enthalpy, what is enthalpy? And then what is internal energy? Define internal energy, that are not basic thing. Entropy, what are the mathematical expression of entropy? And then what the significance? These are all common things we must know about before entering the topics, right? So first enthalpy. What is enthalpy? I think last class I give you the definitions also. So enthalpy means the heat content of the systems. Heat content of the system. How to represent the enthalpy? H. Enthalpy is denoted. How to denote enthalpy? Enthalpy is denoted as H, right? H. Heat content of the system, okay, or sum of internal energy and pressure, okay, that is called work done by the system, we tell, no, that's why I'm telling briefly. Sum of internal energy and pressure, volume energy, that is called work done by the system under particular set of condition, okay. So we have to tell the common formula called H is equal to E plus PV. They will be asking you what is enthalpy. The heat content of the system is called enthalpy. It is denoted by H. Common formula for H is equal to E plus PV. Okay. If you know that, then only you can enter the entropy. Then entropy. What is entropy? Entropy is a measure of degree of disorder or randomness in a molecular system. Okay. It is also considered to measure unavailable form of energy. So why we can study the entropy? To measure unavailable form of energy. Okay. So if they are asking you define entropy. Entropy, it is a Greek word, right? It is a transformation. It is denoted as S. Okay. The entropy is a measure of degree of disorder or randomness in the molecular systems. Okay, students. Here, how we have to represent that when a system, okay, goes from more orderly to less orderly state. Okay, more orderly means if you take it as any one system, the molecule is orderly arranged in the structure. Okay, in the something it is arranged in the random fashion, right? Here one, here one, here one, here one. Another one is it is arranged in the ordered fashion, right? When the system goes from more orderly to less orderly state, what happens? randomness increases. Randomness increases. Listen carefully here. The systems goes from more orderly to less orderly state. That time what happened? Randomness increases. Randomness, here one molecule, here one molecule, here one molecule. So what happens? The randomness, orderly state to less orderly state, randomness increases. Therefore, entropy of the system is also increases. Okay, very good example for that. You have a doubt, how is this possible, ma'am? Solid state, okay, solid state to liquid state, there is an increase in entropy. Solid, how the solid, all the molecules are very closely packed, right? Okay, but liquid, how it is orderly to more orderly state to which one? Less orderly state. Up that time what happened? It increases the entropy. Similar manner, solidification. Okay, solidification occurs. Solidification, what is solidification? What is solidification, student? Solid to liquid, orderly to order. It is very ordered nature. This is not in order. Here one, here one, here one. Then which one is increases? Randomness is increases. But in the case of solidification, entropy increase or decrease? Anyone tell me? Solidification.
Entropy decrease.
Why entropy is exactly correct answer. Exactly correct. Okay, fine. How you claim entropy is decrease?
Because the molecules.
Because randomness is decreased.
Yes, correct. Correct, Aditya, and some of the two students are answer. Very good, exactly correct. Okay. Suppose one more example I am asking. When gas is liquefied, that time what happened? Gas is liquefied. That's why I am asking, what is order, what is disorder, how the molecules are arranging, how the solid, what is the nature of liquid, what is the nature of gas. If you have to imagine, then only you have to answer my question. Is it clear? Okay, solidification is correct. Good. One more example, kindly tell me. For example, gas. Okay, when a gas is liquefied, what happens? Entropy?
Entropy decreases.
Why?
Because it is converted to liquid, which is less randomness.
It is 1 minute. 1 second, repeat.
Because liquid has less randomness than gas.
Any other answer for reason for gas is liquefied? Gas is liquefied. Yes, correct answer only. Anybody? I need one more student. Your answer. Gas is liquefied during randomness decreases. Very good, correct. Reason? Your point of view, reason?
Gas molecule combines to form water.
No. Why I am asking how you are under your. I am on to confirm how much you are understanding the concept. That's why I am asking. There is nothing wrong. Okay. Can you repeat? When gas is liquefied, what happened? Entropy. I need the explanation about that one. Okay. Anyone? Yeah, your answer is correct. Previously someone said no, your answer is exactly correct. Simply I am asking. Next, one more example. Ice. If you take it as ice, okay, ice is melted. What happened? Entropy. Ice is melted.
Entropy increases.
Because it goes from one state to another state.
Ice is melted. Entropy
increases.
When ice is melted, what happened? Entropy. Ice, keep in ice, keep in your concept is ice. Ice is melted. Ice is melted.
Entropy
Increases. Any other answer? Any other answer? Anybody? Okay. Now you, I give you 4 to 5 example, right? So you have to tell apart from that some example for entropy. How of your own example? Kindly tell me, anyone. What happens entropy? Kindly answer. Any example? I give you 5 example. You have to tell one example. At least one example. At least one example. Hello, students.
Iron melting.
Iron melting. Okay. Random. I'm asking with a explanation also whether entropy decrease or increase. If you increase mean what the reason?
It increases.
It increases. Okay. Any girls not except Vansika girls, no one is open your mouth from G2 section also. Kindly respond girls also. Girls, I do not know the names of the students. Yes, huh? Tell me, ma. Girls, kindly respond me. One example for entropy decrease. Decrease in entropy. One example. Already I give you 5 example, right?
Ma'am, liquid to solid.
Liquid to solid. Good. Next person. Girls. I need one girl to respond my question. Decrease. Mean one example.
Trustee is present.
Yes. Can you tell me, ma? Girls, I need answer from girl side. Only Vansika only answered every time. I need answer from some other girls. From G2 section also kindly respond me. Okay, next another one more question. After entropy increase or decrease, that concept, in your syllabus they give you define entropy, okay, and then example of entropy, then mathematical expression of entropy. What a mathematical change in entropy, that is change in entropy delta S, okay, delta S change in entropy of the system is equal to the ratio of heat change Q to the temperature T of the reversible cyclic process. For example, how to represent the entropy? Delta S is equal to Q reverse by T. What is Q here? Q to represent heat change, right? Q to represent heat change. Reversible process. The condition is a reversible process. T is a temperature. You know the unit of the entropy. How to replace here? What the unit of entropy? What the mathematical expression? See, what is the mathematical expression of entropy? Once again, I tell you. Q delta S is equal to Q reverse by T. That is the mathematical expression of the entropy. Okay. Delta S here to represent, what is delta S? To represent the change in entropy delta S is equal to Q reverse. Q to represent heat change, right? Reverse means reversible system. T is a temperature. Okay. Then they will be asking you, they will be asking you what are the significances of before enter into the reversible process non-pentanicity. We can go for the significances. What are the significances of the entropy? Anybody know? What are the significances of entropy? Anyone? Students, kindly tell me what are the significances of entropy. So in the entropy, they will be asking what is the mathematical expression of entropy. Delta S is equal to Q reverse by T. And then they will give you some example. For example, ice melt, when solidification, what happens the entropy. Okay, what is the definition of entropy? They will give you ordered, disordered, okay, likewise disordered or randomness. They give you the multiple choice question, that manner only. Okay, kindly, what is enthalpy? Change in enthalpy, formula for that one. Okay, how to represent enthalpy in terms of H, and then second law, first law, zeroth law, internal energy. Okay, so what is internal energy? Internal energy means the total amount of energy associated with the given system. It may be on EV, ER, EV, that and all. Okay, absolute value of the internal energy of the substance cannot be determined exactly. For example, different energies are available. Okay, and all we finished last class itself. Now, after this, any doubt? Kindly ask me. Then we move on to the significances of entropy. So anyone tell me what is entropy? After entropy, we can go for free energy. Someone,
Entropy is the measurement of randomness or degree of disorder.
very good. Formula? Others. Others, kindly, what the formula used for the entropy? Kindly tell me, students. Aditya Misra from G2
Q
section.
reversible by temperature.
One second, ma, Aditya.
Delta S is equal to Q reversible by temperature.
Okay, what is delta S?
Entropy.
Entropy or change in entropy?
Change in entropy.
Okay. Q represent?
Heat. Change in heat.
Okay. T?
Temperature.
Last one question. Sorry. Solid changes into liquid. What happens to the entropy?
Entropy increases.
Reason?
Disorderedness increases.
Very good. Super. Good. Next. After this, any doubt? Kindly ask me, students. Time number. One minute. One second, students. Yes. Next, Nernst equation. 1 minute. Water. Okay, kindly revise your Nernst equation part, derivation part. So up to the topic, you have any doubt? Kindly ask me. Nernst equation, kindly you have any doubt? Kindly ask me, ma. Nernst equation for today's class. Up to this, any doubt? Up to the part, any doubt? Students? Okay. For G2 section, I think sir already give you assignment, right? For G2 section.
Yes, ma'am.
You have completed or not, ma? Sir has asked them to complete the assignment. Everyone completed that assignment? So from next class, medical emergency, he couldn't attend the class. So from next class onwards, he will take care. Okay. He asked them to complete your assignments. They give you assignment, right? Everyone completed your part assignment. Each 3 questions they give you, right? Hello. G2
Yes,
section. Yeah, everyone completed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, okay, fine, good. So incompleted student, try to complete your assignments, and then he asked them to complete who are all wanted to upload laboratory component, all the last after CT1. So try to complete and upload. Okay. So yesterday also I asked you, some of them not yet uploaded. Okay. So once again I telling you, without uploading your lab component, you are not evaluate and we are not give the marks to you. Okay. I think this is not new to you. You are all know very well about that. Okay. So incompleted students, so kindly submit it soon for all the experiments for G2 section. Yes, Pa. So today, what are the topic you finished from the electrochemistry part? Now you have to concentrate the derivation of Nernst equation. You take 5 minutes, then I come to you for G2 section. Okay. You have to read about the Nernst equation, derivations. I share previously the slide. Okay, what the points you have to revise one time, then I come to you. Okay, for what are the things we completed from that Nernst equation, derivation of Nernst equation. Okay, and then electrochemistry part we completed the galvanic cell representation, and then what is conductors and insulators and electrochemical cell and Daniel cell, electrode potential, oxidation reductions, everything, right? Kindly solve bridge everything. And then what it is, first law, second law, and enthalpy and internal energy and entropy. Okay. After these points, kindly you have to revise one time. I will come to you. Okay. Now we move on to the S2 section. For X2 section student, I guess everyone completed your lab component. Yes. So few already I posted our personal WhatsApp group who are all incomplete with the lab component. So kindly who are all incomplete, you have to finish your work and complete it by today. Okay, today night I am going to enter your marks in the portal. Okay, so after from tomorrow onwards, if you are uploading any content, so definitely I reduce mark. Okay, so right now how what are the experiments available with me? I am going to calculate the marks and I am going to upload. So kindly try to finish it by today. Okay, for S2 section. And also I posted 2 assignments. Moreover, everyone completed first assignment. From the second assignment, the assignment mark is going to upload for which one? Theory component assignment mark we are going to upload CT4 marks for theory. Okay. For lab, I told you we have a lab on day after tomorrow. For day after tomorrow, we have a Viva session, right? For Viva section, you have to prepare all your 8 experimental simple procedures, right? And principle, calculation, everything. Okay. So for that Viva marks only we are going to upload for CLA practical 4. Okay, CT4 mark of practical component. I hope you have any doubt for the Tuesday's assignment. After tomorrow assignment, you have doubt, kindly ask me. Student? Incomplete student? Yes?
Ma'am, can you send the Nernst equation model in GCR?
You are G2 section?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I share now?
Okay, ma'am.
No, you are asking to upload the content in your GCR, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not able to upload yours are only having authority, no? Okay, yours are only going to upload all the material. So, for unavoidable circumstance, I am going to attend the class today. Okay, I am helping him. That's all the notes and all, sir will take care. If you want means I am going to share now, you can take a pic of that. I am not uploading SARP IDs. Okay, understand what I am saying?
Okay, ma'am.
I am going to share the PPT now in the GC. If you want me, you can take it. First, I stop this presentation and share that PPT. That is different PPT. Just a minute. I am sharing you. But I am not upload in the SAR IDs. Okay, you understand?
Okay, ma'am.
He only assigned the material, everything. He is having the rights. I am not have a right to uploading their IDs. Just a minute. I am stop presentation and share that one. I think this is the topic is already over or not. This is new to you. Today's class only. Yes, Pa, for G2 section. Is it visible to you? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. If you want me, you can take a pic of this. Just a minute. Wait. This is Nernst equation. This is the first slide. This is second. Just a minute. The second slide. Okay. You can take a pic of this also, no problem. And this is for third. The last equation E equal to E naught. You take a pic of these three slides, ma. Okay. You take a pic of first slide. Hello. Kindly respond me.
Yes, ma'am. Taken.
Okay. Second taken, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is for third.
Yes, ma'am.
Last,
Taken.
okay. Fine. Good. Then spontaneity. This and all. I told no. Calculate the this was significances of the Nernst equations. This and all. Okay. Okay. Fine. Have any doubt in this part? Kindly ask, ma. Yes. Okay, for S2 section, dear students, assignment also I posted as per your request. You are requesting me for the periodic property, that only I am giving you. Suppose apart from that, that is also from the standard questionnaires, right? We have standard question, from that question only I give you. I hope you are all started writing for second assignment also. From the first assignment only we are going to give the marks. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, kindly ask me, ma. Students. Okay, some general question. How about your areas COVID? I think now the situation is normal, all the states. So both section you can respond. Students, you have any, I think nowadays it's the situation is normal, all the state, I guess. For Chennai is right. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But Chennai is also normal. Now they are also going to college weekly twice. Chennai is also normal. The corona cases very less only. I think all the states like that only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But anyhow, you people are enjoy a lot, right? This is a golden period to you that from your childhood onwards, you are very busy with schooling and some of the students, they stay in hostel and all. But this is a golden period. You stay only with your parents. There is no option to going outside also, right? You are enjoy a lot. You are enjoyed? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, this is a quality time you are all spent. So kindly you can make use of the spend with your family members, particularly your parents. So most of the families are single child, right? So not at all enjoying. Why? Why you not at all enjoying? Hello. Yeah, you people are your point of view. You are going outside, enjoy with your friends and riding also, right? So for your parents, really this time they are enjoy a lot. Your parents, right? They are, you always in home only. They make a different variety of food. Okay, your parents definitely enjoyed it. Is it true, no? Okay, so this is a golden period. So you have to very bond with your family members and relatives. So not only earning money to a higher position. So we nowadays we are miss a lot of things, right? Okay, so now you are rewinding everything. Okay, recreate yourselves. Okay, I hope all of you family bonding. So if you have a good family bonding, definitely definitely you are never go to wrong path. That is my experience. I'm telling you. Even I told you everyone, at least one semester, at least one book you have to read, right? Some common book. So if you anyone students, you are reading any particular book recently during COVID situation, any specific book you are read? Anyone? Any specific book? Hello? Kindly respond. Vansika? Vansika?
Yes, ma'am.
You are read any particular book apart from subject?
No, ma'am, no reading.
Not at the side. Okay. Any other students? Any other students? So then how you are spend your 24 hours per day, right? So you have a class for 5 hours, right? So after that time you are spending watching videos only, YouTube and social media. You are spending? Huh? Yes? Yeah, that's very limited only now. Very limited. I think maximum 1 week is maximum 1 week altogether, all the subject assignments and record everything. Maximum 1 week as a whole. I am telling you as a whole. So why I am asking, the time management is very, very, very important. Okay, you have to focus, very sharp focus. Okay, without sharp focus, we can't achieve anything. Okay, you have to design such a manner. Okay, if you are very much interested for writing script, you can focus at least per day half an hour with the full concentration, right? Suppose if you are which one is very, very interested to you, you have to focus on that. Okay. So, ma'am, I am very much interested for coding. Okay. And then program writing. So you have to focus on that. You have to read. So nowadays, so many resources are available. Okay, from the Google, you have to download and the PDF and read and watching the video. So that at least half an hour in your own interest. Some of the student, your own interest, you select the subject, or your parents forced to take this one. Certain, not at all issue, right? But you have to, whatever in your inner mind, you have to find that one. You have to focus on that also. Okay, students. I hope all of you. This is the right time. You have a right age. Okay, this is a right time to enjoy yourself. At the same time, you go correct direction. Okay. Okay, students, you have anything? Why you are telling not enjoying? This is an enjoyable moment, no? You are stay with your family. Yes. What are the troubles you are facing during the COVID-19? What are the positive points? Can tell me some positive points and negative points? Few. Lot of time. Very good. Super. Yes. Positive points. Yes. Then. Anything you have to share. Then only okay. What? That's a little bit bored, no? Too much bored, not. Yes. Oh, yes. yes. Okay. Okay. Then you learn, at least you learn anything during the COVID. For your help with your parents, then you are practicing how to cooking, that and all. That is very important nowadays, now. Yeah, help to your parents. Okay, good. Why I am telling, as per one research says that in abroad countries, they are construct the building without which one past 20 years back, they construct that without kitchen, They construct. That means there is no kitchen in the family. There is no family bonding, right? Yes, you are agree that, Nikhil? Okay, okay. You help your okay. Then you are uh, uh, what are the mistakes? Okay, did the mistakes. So we have in the point of society concern. You have to realize no few mistakes. Okay, we made this mistake. Okay, that also may be the reason. So you are realize something, right? So that type of realization you done. You in your mind you can get a spark of that realization during lockdown. I'm asking during lockdown realization. Nikhil, anyone you can respond the question. Okay, I made this mistake, so in future I'm going to avoid this one. So that type of realization.
Not yet.
Roshan? No. During lockdown, your mind is completely free. Okay, without tension, you are too much of free. So that time you look on the world, right, in different perspective. I'm asking at what perspective you are looking the world at the same time. Okay, I made this mistake. I made this. Okay, I want to correct myself. So such a decision you took. No, someone took during the lockdown, right? I'm asking that type of perspective. Any changes within your mind?
I was wondering that why the time is going slow.
Okay. So in the college, you are wake up and then some schedule is there, no? But nowadays, we are not maintaining the proper schedule, right? Okay, only 9 o'clock class. Okay, we can may wake up 10 minutes before. Like that only we are doing, right? So we are missed our self-discipline. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. I am asking different point of view. I am asking you realized yourself. Okay, these are all the mistake I am doing. Okay, I want to change. So up to this year, I look the world in different perspective. The world is going different way. In that perspective, you are think or not? Tell you with your own. Nova. Any student. I'm not pinpoint you and me. No one. So you have to tell your own perspective. Madam, during lockdown, 1 year, nearly it is going 1 year, 2 years going to. Okay. So I'm using the COVID time in effective manner, madam. I did this one. I joined the sports and something in my long time I'm having. So this time I used effective manner. So anyone used effective manner during lockdown period? Students? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Very good. But this is the right time. You have to decide. We have. I do not know exactly when the offline classes. We are not yet received the mail properly. So kindly use it effective manners. Okay. Well, at least in your lifetime, definitely in your lifetime, you never get this type of holidays, right? I think this is a wonderful time. For myself also, whenever after completing my study, this is the first time I'm living with my family member whole day. Okay. So I enjoyed a lot. I hope everyone the same feeling. Okay. At the same time, during lockdown, I changed my. Yes.
Actually, I had given more time in household work.
Household work. What are the work you are doing?
Like cooking.
Assignment kar lo.
You are cooking. Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. You are helping to your parents or really you are cooking?
No, I was helping to parents.
Okay. Good, sir. Good habit. Okay. So you are living, now this is a quality time, no? This is a quality time you have to spend with your family members. Okay. after you are coming to the campus, it's very difficult. So family members, parents also, they enjoy a lot now. Okay, good, good. You help with your parents. Good, nice. Any other students? So this is a golden moment when after you are reach the age of 40, the 50. So you have to remember, okay, during the time I spend a lot of time to my parents. Your parents also, they enjoy a lot. Okay, very good, very good, super. Anything you want to convey? My kind advice, you have to self discipline is important. For example, at least nowadays the mobile addiction, social media addiction is there. So you lost your imaginary thing. Okay, so everything is lost. Someone is posting, you have to spend a lot of time, lot money you are wasting. So that and all business perspective they are doing, right? So that is we don't have time to watch all those things. So what are the things is very essential, you have to focus on that only. Okay, nowadays the youth, the youngsters, they are going in wrong direction. Okay, particularly the social media. Okay, so everyone, they are posting unwanted messages, and it spoil the society. Okay, they create negative thoughts to the public. So that and all very bad. Okay, so kindly you have to take your own self discipline. Okay, I want to do this only. I definitely I'm not doing this. So that discipline, you have to take a resolution. You can work on that. And then sleeping behavior is completely changed nowadays, particularly youth. Minimum 8 hours is mandatory. That time only your CPU, your mind is endless memory power. Okay, endless GB in your mind. Okay, if whenever you are sleeping, that time only all the information stored in proper manner. Okay, so kindly my advice to all youngsters, all my dear students, you take the morning sleep is waste only. Night sleep is very important without any disturbances. So some signs are involved in that. Okay, so kindly